Hi guys, welcome to IndiaBees. In this video, we are going to see about the components and templates in React. Please subscribe to our channel and click notify button to receive our updates. Let's go into the video. What is a React component? React component is a building block of React application. Let's consider a typical React application. A typical React application contains multiple components. So let's consider this as a React application, and this is a header component. So each component is a self-contained sections. So header part contains multiple sections. Another, this is a body component, and body component might also have multiple sections or in a single section. React component contains template as well as logic. So these both combine to form a component, right? Let me give an example. We are keeping a button in the HTML page, and while clicking that button we are doing some logic in the sense we'll save a data, or we'll give a data to server, we'll redirect to another page. Those kind of logics, it's come under the logic. And the button, right, button design and the UI design, that will be coming under the templates. So template is a section. So as I already said, each component is a self-contained sections, right? So each section is a template. So let's move on to our application. We are now in the index.js file. Index.js file is located under the source folder, and it is the root component where our every components are rendered into the DOM. So we have created a single component, it's in the app component. So you can see the div class name as class name as a camel case. So it's a JSX attribute. It's because we are not going to use a regular HTML for React. We are going to use JSX. For JSX, the syntax for using JSX is using the function. So we can use the arrow function as well. Future creations, I'll be using the arrow function, and now we'll be using this type of function. So class and name in the camel case is a JSX, right? While you compiling your source, in background the Babel, it automatically converts the JSX and convert to HTML and render in the browser. Let's debug and see. So here you can see the class equal to app. It automatically converts class name equal to app to class equal to app. So let's remove an S and save here. Let's wait for the compiling. Compiling is done, and we can see here again. You can see class name with a spelling mistake. It's because it's not on JSX. If it's on JSX, it automatically converted to HTML using the Babel. So Babel could not identify this spelling as an JSX. Let's re-update the class name. Now you can see once the compiling is done, class name is converted to class. So this is the thing with which Babel is performing as backup. Let's remove this header. So we have to kickstart our in the previous video I have said about the Emmet configuration, right? I need to install a plugin, and so that what's the purpose of that I have not said you. Now I am going to say, so div dot header. So when you are giving like this, it's a short form for creating a div. You can create multiple tags. H1 dot class name as a header title. When you give an enter, it automatically creates the HTML tag. So let's give a header as components and header title as title. Let's save it, and once the compiling is completed, you can go to our HTML page. So you can see the title and components, it's rendered here. So another tip for the day, if you are using the React version below 17, then you have to import the React for the development like this. So if you are using the latest version as I am using, you no need to import here, it automatically imports. We can remove this logo because we are not going to use this logo for the development, so we can delete it here. In the next video, we are going to see about the templates and dynamic value to the template. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.